my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the Shiba INU token next move. What's the next move of Shiba token? In this video I will show you free on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of research, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Let's start the video. Before starting, once again I'm telling you to subscribe every Tech channel, and if you subscribe, so thank you so much for subscribing my channel, friends. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Shiba token in the market. 0.00014 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Shiba token. And if we talk about the price change occurring in the Shiba token in this time, so the last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change as negative, and last 1 week change as only positive, friends. Oh my god, why the change is negative, friends? Let's see the more details on the chart, friends. As you can see here, at this time the falling and the jumping period, the jumping chart of the Shiba token is on the screen. That is the last 1 day, the last 24-hour price chart on the screen you're watching. Friends, what's the next move of Shiba token? We do a technical analysis and try to detect the next move of the Shiba token, friends. As you can see here, first of all, if we look the common phenomena of the Shiba token in this time, as you can see here, this time the falls occur, and after a falls, when you see it this time, as you can see here, after this falls they take a high jump in this time, friends. Not a high, but they take a jump, friends. Same like that, if we look the next move again, so again Shiba token going to the falls down. And as you can see here, at this time, if we look at this time frame, the last 1 hour, so they are going upward. As you can see here, the smaller represent that they're going to upward. Let's zoom it. As you can see here, friends, now at this time the Shiba token as again moving upward, friends. So this means that now after this fast again take a jump Shiba token, friends. As you can see here, after this fast they are again take a jump, friends. So the one talk is that the big pump of the Shiba token are once again coming soon in the market, friends. On the other hand, if we do a technical analysis at this time, friends, so as you can see here, that let's suppose that is a support line and that is a resistance line, friends. They continue a struggle between these two lines, take a support, fast down, take a jump, and now fast down, and now it's time to take a jump. So they can't touch the support line, so that's mean that they taken a high jump in this time, friends, because they can't touch the support line, and they can't touch the support line. So that's mean that the big pump of the Shiba token are coming soon. Friends, remember that if they break this resistance line, so I hope when the resistance becomes support, so I hope that it is not so far that they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar, friends, in this time, friends. What's your prediction about Shiba token? My prediction is positive at this time, friends. Please you share your prediction in the comment box, and the next move, the next pump of the Shiba token are coming soon, friends. So wait for it and hold Shiba token. And please, once again I'm telling you to please click the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends.